Both are sleeping very well. They don't know that one they are going to have bath because they don't like bath. Give so much struggles to me. See what will happen. I always tie them because they won't stand on one position. They will run away to the bedroom. So that is the reason I always tie them. You need to do it very short time. Come on, ready? Come on. Bhairava, good boy. Good boy, yeah. You're a good boy, right? Come on. Good boy. Ah, good boy, come on. Come on, good boy. Ah, good boy, ah. He like always good boy. You want that word? Then only he will listen that word. Good boy, good boy. Ah, good boy. Yeah, I always use two kind of shampoos. One is Epishruti, you can see here in video. And second thing is Himalaya Arena. So Himalaya Arena EP. So both are working fine. So as per my understanding, so I will give both shampoos every month. Alternatively, I will give these two shampoos. So one time Arena EP and the second time I will use Episuti. Guys, initially don't apply this shampoo to dogs direct skin. So you need to be dilute it in water and you need to be apply it. So we will make it shampoo water first round and I will show you how to do it. So I will take half mug water, mix it well, put it one side. While taking bath, in second round only you need to give bath to dog head. So because if you are going to be take it continuously head bath means dog will get cold and she will suffer with fever and all those things. So first initially you need to wash her body completely and later final stage you need to be wash dog head. So you need to be remember very carefully, and that too is his stick bath. So little bit chemicals will be there. So the chemicals should not be, they don't like those chemicals. So you have to be more careful while giving the tick bath. Okay guys, let's start. So first I will apply water and later I will apply shampoo. And to cover hair and neck also. Neck is very important. Ticks will be there in next part only. Okay. I know your build up Rani. Build up Raja. Come. Goodbye, yeah. Apply shampoo to dog. Apply completely. Main part is neck. Don't use your nails, guys. Don't use your nails. So dogs may hurt. You need to be do it like this only. You need to be rub dog body like this. So I observed so many guys will use nails to remove mud and all those things, but that is not good idea. Dog skin is very sensitive and your nails are poison to other animals. Okay. Cool, buddy. Goodbye. Watch till end. So sometimes I will do fast forward because you will get bored, but some steps I will explain in between the thing. So please watch step by step. So don't skip or don't forward anything. You think that one, that's it for our video, but not like that. So I will give some more tips. So remember guys, extra shampoo you need to apply neck, shoulder, so legs. Okay, guys, first round is over. So we'll wait for 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes, 5 minutes. We should wait. Okay, we should wait for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, so just wash including face and everything now. Okay, but Just carefully, don't apply water forcefully on the face. See, I applied my hand actually. So don't apply water directly to the face. So reverse direction I am applying. So water should not go to the nose. Water should not go to the nose. Water in reverse direction. See guys, water in reverse direction on the face. Water should not go to the nose. So apply shampoo. So with fresh water, teeth. So with fresh water, teeth. Don't wait guys, immediately you should give water, so don't wait for second round. So immediately you should apply water and clean them immediately. Okay guys? Huh? Guys, don't apply like this water, opposite direction you should not apply to the face. So you should not apply, always you should apply like this only. Otherwise water will go to the nose and it will get cold. Okay, remember? Okay guys, bath completed. Now I will take for 5 minutes walk, they will enjoy nature, and after that one, immediately I will clean his body. They will enjoy nature. Come on, Bhairava, Bhairava, Bhairava. Ah, good boy. See, now excess water will go out. He is enjoying. He is enjoying nature now very well. Because of their walking means some heat will come. So because of hotness, I can't leave this big dog. He's very dangerous guy. If I given freedom to outside, that's it. She will kill 2-3 guys. That is the biggest problem to me. So I need to take. I should go with Thai only. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Good boy, good boy. Hey. Hey, come on, Bhairava. Hey. Bhairava. Come on, come on. Good boy, come on, come on. This is my shot here. Old shot. Cotton cloth only. Mainly head. Hi. Hi guys. Remove belt. Hey Bhairava. Hey. Remove belt. Now. Right? Enjoy. Enjoy, guys. Let them enjoy nature. Okay. Very happy. The fresh bath make them very happy. Huh? Good boys. Okay, bye guys. Enjoy. After lunch I will come to you.